My name is Alex Toulouse and I am the #1 mechanic here at Heritage for the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. At the end of the season, the cars come to us here at Heritage, where we will rebuild them to exactly as they finish the race. Part of the maintenance is a yearly service. All the parts are stripped down, including the bodywork and the car's floor. Once a year we fire the cars up to preserve the history of the silver arrows. Predominantly we do this to avoid the degradation of some of the internal components. We use the Einhell cordless technology on the Heritage cars. One of the ways to ensure the cars are protected before we fire them up is to warm the gearbox using the Einhell cordless heat gun. This is important for oil viscosity and component tolerances within the gearbox. Reliability is essential. What we value most in our tool set is tools which can perform in extreme conditions when the heat is on. The great thing about these tools are their batteries, which are interchangeable across the whole range. This gives us flexibility alongside their large power capacity. Above all, cordless high-tech tools that are best in class are what we value most with the Einhell range. Ultimately, we must achieve maximum performance, and we achieve this with Einhell.